Welcome, in front of me is DELL G15 and in this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to this laptop. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth by clicking on the three icons in the bottom right corner of your screen, then click on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on. When it turns blue, it means that it's turned on, then click on the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth icon and then you'll find your device in the devices list, or once it's been put into the pairing mode. Now I cannot tell you how you put your device into the pairing mode because each device has its own settings for it, and if you don't know how to put your device into pairing mode, read the manual. Now once you see your device on the list, click on it once, and after that your device will be connected. If you click on more Bluetooth settings, you'll be able to find your device right here. If you want to unpair it, click at the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of this window and then click disconnect. Or if you want to remove device completely, click remove device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.